how to make money on Upwork with animation services. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by clicking on the get started to create our account. And here choose the freelancer option, apply as a freelancer. Then you will proceed to fill in the usual information, first name, last name, and so on. For me, I'm just going to log in with my account. I've already created my account. Continue with email. Fill the password field, log in. And here we're going to proceed to creating your profile. And this is the last step of creating the profile. So let me go back to start from the beginning, just to show you an example of how you can set your profile. And this is the first step. So here you click on get started. Then you will proceed to answering these questions. So I suggest just to skip them for now. And same with these other questions. Let's skip them for now as well. And here for these boxes, make sure to check all of them. Then click on next to create a profile. So here you can import your resume from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume from your device if you have it in a PDF file or in some other files, or you can even just fill it out manually. It will take less than 15 minutes, and that's what I'm going to do in this video. Click on start a new profile, and here just type the job or the skill that you do or the service that you offer. So for me it's animation services, and that's it. Click on next to add your experience. So if you have any experience, you can, or any previous work, you can just fill the information in here. And same thing with education as well. You can fill all of the education that you have in here. And then we have the languages. So you can choose all of the languages that you speak, and English is a must. So let's choose our level in English. I think my level is conversational. And here add another language. For example, for me, I speak Arabic as well, and matter of fact, I'm a native in it, and I can speak French as well, and I'm just basic in it. Then we have the skills. So let's add them skills. So here they've already suggested skills for me based on my previous answers. So let's go with animation. You can select maximum 15 skills. So just fill as much skills as you have. Then let's proceed to write an overview. So guys, this is very important. It's the bio. So here make sure to give it some attention. And if you want the easiest way to make your bio, just go to ChatGPT and it will work its magic, and it will give you a good bio for your profile. But you will need to make some adjustments to it, add some information, remove some information. Just don't copy paste the exact thing that ChatGPT gives you and you paste it in here. It will be very obvious that you didn't do any hard work. So just guys, pay attention. And for me, I'm just going to steal Marty's description, Marty's bio, because I don't want to make the video very long. So I'm just going to steal this one. Sorry, Marty. Thank you a lot. Then click on next to choose your category. So here you already have a suggested services. So let's go with video and animation, then click on next to set your price. So here we can set the hourly rate. Let's go with $15 per hour, for example. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here for the profile picture, make sure to upload a very professional picture of yourself. As you can see, show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So pay attention to that. And if you have no professional pictures in your phone or in your device, you can just make one right now. It's very easy. Just put some good clothes, some professional clothes, and make a picture of your face, and that will do it. And when you're done with setting your profile, click on review your profile. And after that, if you want to improve your profile, just do this. I'm just going to log out to show you how you can improve your profile. So here, let's go back to Upwork, the main page. Go to the search box, type animation services. Let's do the animation videos, and this will show us all of the competitors that we're competing with in this niche. And what I want you to do is just go to these competitors' profiles and check them, see what they are doing differently than you, why they are getting more clients than you, and study all of that and make sure to apply some of it to your profile, and you'll see a big change in your profile and you'll get more clients. So here you will see her description. As you can see, thank you for visiting my profile. So this, you will need this as well. She listed her skills for people to understand everything. This is a brief bio that gives you everything that you need. She didn't put anything that is not required. She puts just the important things only. So that's very good. That's a very good move. And you can see how she's interacting with her clients as well. So you can see all of that. And if you want to find more work in this platform, just go to find work in here, click on the middle option, find work for your skills, and here just type your skill and you will see all of the listed jobs that are looking for someone with your skills. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.